My name is Line and Anest. I am the regional trainer for BASF here in Buena Park, California. And today we're going to be working on spraying some 100 line with the new Line and Anest Iwata Series 2 spray gun. One line is our newest base coat. We have introduced into the market. It is a true waterborne. It is a wet-on-wet base coat application. One of the newest options for Line and Anest Iwata is the WS400 base coat. It does the job that we're looking for when it comes to spray guns. It keeps the panel wet, which is very crucial with 100 line. You need to make sure that the material stays on wet and gives you enough time to come back with that finish to it.
With 100 line, when it comes to air pressure, it's like every other paint line and every other application, it's crucial. We're recommending 29 PSI to start. If your panel's not being wet up enough, you can start adjusting from there. And we've noticed that we have excellent results when it comes to the WS400 Series 2 base gun.
If you're just standard application in standard weather, standard temperature, you're looking at the BFS tip. When you're looking at warm weather, if you're in the desert or heat, I would go with a BF40.
It's designed for 100 line, so the atomization on that is excellent. Even in the blending process where you have to drop the air pressure to what we recommend, 22 PSI, there's a different technique that's involved that's not in your standard blending. You have to keep that blending edge at a 45-degree angle. That way you can avoid your blend being seen, but any modeling, striping, or any of your metallics laying on top of your blended surface. So with that WS400, again, if you're coming back with in a warm weather area, all you have to do is that same gun and just switch the tip down to the BF40, and it keeps the panel wet, and the application's the same.
The Series 2 WS400 Clear, I've been able to use it for anything. When it comes to matching OEM textures, doing something where I just want it to flow out and look like glass, I've been able to make all the adjustments with their setup, whether it's a 1.2 or 1.3 or even 1.4 HD. I've been able to do any of the paint job that I'm working for and be able to match those orange bills that I'm wanting. I like starting at 29 PSI and make my adjustments from there depending on the orange bill that I'm looking for. For OEM texture, for me anyways, my way of applying clear coat, I go with a 1.3 HD, but any in the 1.3, either a 1.3 or a 1.3 HD, I think would be a perfect starting point. For a custom gloss, I go 1.4 HD all day. That's all I use for something that you're going to complete, nice and finished. You're not matching any OEM texture or anything. You just want it to just look wet still. Now 1.4 HD is the way to go.